Hi, today I'm back with different type of features of Easysales Salesman app. So now we look at the price history module. As we can see, we have the list of customers from A to Z, and then we can also search using the easy search button. We can search the customer, so it will appear here. Next, we can click on the customer, and then we can check out the sales. So in the sales, we can see their invoice number, the product, the pricing, and then the number of boxes or unit that they have purchased following the date. Each date they has been purchased. So we can see there is a list of sales order here. Next, we have the stock transfer module. Stock transfer module is normally used for when sales. So for when sales, we will transfer from location A to location B. So that's why we will be using stock transfer. So for now, I don't have any printer. So if you have a printer, it will connect to the Bluetooth printer. For stock transfer, we have to transfer from location. Are you transferring stock to another? If you press yes, we have to choose the warehouse details. We will set in the accounting system of each of the customer's warehouse. So for example, I'm choosing from Malacca to location B, so to KL. Once you have clicked on the location, the Salesperson App will ask, do you want to load your own stock items? If it's no, then we can add on the items. We can choose the product or following the category. We can type on. So I'm just adding around 50 units of this item. And then next product, I'm adding another 100 unit of this. The stock transfer details will appear here. So once done, we can save it as draft or we can transfer it. So it's the similar and the same how we normally do for the previous module. So it's exactly the same way of using the stock transfer also. Next, we have the invoice module. Invoice module, the same method also. We just select the customer, and then in the easy search button, we can choose the products following the category. I'm just adding using the list price. If you have multi-pricing for your own company or any customer, so the details of the pricing list will appear here, will have a lot of pricing if you have multi-pricing. So for now, we only have list price, so I'm just choosing this list price and adding on the quantity. And then I add to cart. And then I'm searching. I search using the easy search module, and then I'm just adding this item. As we can see, we have the two list price here. So I'm just choosing the box price. So I'm adding around 5 boxes, and then I'm giving about discount about 5%. Add to cart. So equal or more. So we have a special price here. So we just press it yes. So next, it's the same method. We just save it. For invoice, once you save it, we are not allowed to edit any of the documents. And then we transfer it, and then we can preview it like normal. Then we also have the delivery order module. Delivery order module, we have to choose on the customer like normal the previous module also. We choose on the customer, and then we add on the products using easy search. I'm just adding on this product around 5 unit. We're adding on more product around 10 unit, and then I'm just giving a free of charge of around 2 unit. So this discounts, the free of charge is given according to the customer or the salesperson request. So once done, you can save it, and then you can transfer the document. So in this, once you save, we can just preview it like normal in this PDF format, and then we can share it. So next, we can transfer the items. Once transfer, we can check out using this date, the delivery date, or we can choose any of the salesperson. Once transfer the delivery order, the list of the confirm order will appear here. And then if you want to have again, you want to recheck again the product, so we can just press on this, and then we can check out all the prices, grand total for the customer details there. So we can also add attachment in the save module just now. Once we transfer, we can also preview the attachment that we have included, and then we can check out the total sales here, and then also the order summary. Lastly, we have the delivery status module. So delivery status module for the customer that use the delivery app, after the job has been assigned to the delivery status, will return back to the Salesperson app. So this is the Salesperson app. So from the delivery app, once we assign, it will show for us the delivery status and all this salesperson to check the status. So for now, I don't have any report here to show as the delivery status for sample. So but then in the report there, it will show the invoice number, the date, the time, and then the pending status. We can also filter it using the filter given here, and then we can search, and then it will show up all the details here. So that's all for now for all the features I've explained.